What you do with the data depends on if you simply want to archive your capture or if you want to use the data in a video. To create an archive of past captures, simply put the CSV values into a spreadsheet, database, or simple text file, or save all your capture files to a folder. The values are timestamped so you can easily go back and review your captures by sorting or filtering the data. To use your data in a video, use the individual CSV file that is saved to your device, or copy and paste the email values into a basic text editor and save as a CSV. The best video editor we have found for integrating data feeds is DashWare. DashWare is free and available at www.dashware.net. DashWare allows you to sync a video file and a data feed to display your data graphically in a final video. DashWare has built many gauges and new ones are easily built. Check out H2O Export's DashWare video to learn more about this functionality.